I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Well, hey there, friends, and welcome back to another episode of Dudecraft. Today we're going to be tackling the age-old question of where do we put our pliers, channel locks, and similarly shaped hand tools when we're not using them, so they're out of the way, but they're easily accessible. I can tell you that your old Reverend Joe here took the Dudeist principle of wu-wei and reduced, reused, recycled the heck out of a scrapwood storage solution. Over here at the Temple of Dudecraft, we're still working on a new table saw solution. But in the meantime, I got plenty of scrap wood and gumption. So we're just taking some warped fence pickets and scrap piece of plywood, and we're putting them together, drilling some holes in them. We're going to make 1/4-inch recesses for the old rake handle. Look at how that fits. Nice. Now we're going to take that old rake handle and we're going to cut it into 1-foot pieces. Give it a little tap tap of love and get it in the hole. And once that's that, we're going to screw it in. Like I said, folks, easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is just a fun little storage solution. You know, when I was going for the design of this, I went for the simplest solution. So I took wu-wei and a bastardized version of Occam's razor, and I did a 3-bar system. You know, the top bar is where the throat of the pliers will sit, and the 2 bottom bars will keep it from moving around too much. Simplicity in its finest. You know, wu-wei is the principle that you know, you're acting in harmony with nature, and you know, us Dudeists, we say basically you're doing without doing. So the simplest answer is the best answer. You know, this video isn't really an instructional video. It's a more of a solution for me and idea generator for you. So as we get towards the end of this video, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it stimulated some ideas within you. And as always, I thank you for watching. The Dude abides, so do I. I will catch you guys on the next trip. Again, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, well, the dude abides.